rice. Really?
What?
There's no rice.
What?
There's no rice.
What happened? Let me see. There's no rice in the to-go boxes.
No.
Well, that's terrible.
I know, and they should have added rice, but what we can do...
Well, did you ask them to put rice in the...
I did.
Okay, and you know what we should do next time? Just open the boxes before we
That's
leave.
true,
Okay.
that's true.
Okay,
But we
so
can make some rice.
Rice isn't that expensive. You know, we can make our own. Sure.
Okay, I know a recipe.
Okay.
So
I'll let you show me your recipe, because I have a recipe, and everyone's got their recipe, but we'll follow your recipe tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, welcome to Toast, and we're going to be making some Mexican rice today, so stick around.
Now we're going to take our pan, just a medium-sized pan, lid off. We're going to heat up our pan, start letting that heat up. We're going to first start with our oil, and I'm using olive oil, and we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of our oil. And what you want to do is you want to heat up that oil before you pour in your rice. You're going to heat this oil for about a minute. You're going to add in your rice, and I'm going to do about 1 cup, because 1 cup is good for 2 people. So we're going to pour in about a cup of rice. A cup of rice is good for about 2 people. So you're going to coat the rice with all the oil, and you're going to cook it in that oil for about a minute, and then you'll be adding about 1.5 cups of our water and about a cup of our, and I'm actually using salsa. So once you see that it's turning a little golden brown, you're going to add about 1.5 cups of your water. Love it when it does that. And then give it a good stir. And then I'm gonna add a cup of our salsa. And now salsa, I like to use salsa because it always has the extra herbs and the extra, you know, garlic or onions. And I just love that with rice. Yeah, so this is the salsa that I'm using. So I got this from Walmart. It's a really good brand. It has chipotle peppers. Chipotle is a smoked jalapeno. And I always like this brand because it has really good herbs. And it's just, I love it. So I really like this salsa. It's not too spicy. It's really, just really good. If you've never tried it, I think you might like it. So now I'm gonna add a pinch of our garlic, a pinch of our salt, and a pinch of our pepper. Give it a good stir. Okay, now that this is boiling, we're going to lower the temperature. We're going to cover it for 20 minutes, and we're not going to take off that lid. So I'm lowering it to about 180. So you may be tempted to open up the lid. I would suggest not. It actually ruins the rice if you want that good texture rice. So I would leave it on, leave it for 20 minutes, and you're good to go. Okay, now it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off and fluff it up. Smells really good.
Oh, that looks good, honey.
Yeah.
That
I'm going to set this down really quick.
Ooh,
Careful.
It's hot. All right, so
yeah.
what do you think? Do you think that looks just as good as restaurant
Yeah.
rice? Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
see, I love this recipe. It looks really good.
do you know what they say? They say the proof of the pudding is in the tasting.
That is true.
I don't know if you've heard it. They always butcher that. They always say the proof is in the pudding. No, the proof of the pudding is in the tasting. So we got to taste it now. Let me grab a spoon.
Yeah, and you want to make sure it's definitely cooled off before you try this. I don't want anyone burning their tongues.
All right.
Don't do it.
Let me try your version.
Okay, blow on it. It's hot.
Yeah, this looks good. This looks very much like a restaurant style.
Tell me how it is.
You try it too.
Okay.
In case you poisoned it, I want to make sure that you...
Nah, I wouldn't poison it.
Wow. That is really good. That's excellent.
And it's not watery like most rices that I've made.
That has a spicy kick to it. Wow.
That does.
Okay, but you know what I like about this recipe?
What?
You don't have to cut onions. You don't have to open a can of tomatoes. Like if you make this with tomato paste, sometimes you open the can and you leave half of it in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
That salsa that's in that jar, we'll stick it in the fridge. We'll use it for chips and stuff.
Yeah.
Look, there's onions in here. There's peppers in here. There's chunks of tomato in
tons
here.
of herbs. Yeah.
There's bell peppers in here.
Yeah.
You don't have to buy a bell pepper. You don't have to buy an onion. You don't
That's true.
have to dice all that, cut all that, and it's fast. This was fast. How long would you say it took? Besides the cooking,
25 minutes.
5 minutes
Yeah.
to prepare it, 20 minutes to cook it. But
Yeah.
while it's cooking, you could be doing other things. You could make the rice or the tortillas or something.
That is very true.
Honestly, excellent. This is good.
It's really good.
All right, so now we got our tacos that we got from the store. Came with beans, and now we got our rice. So we're gonna enjoy our meal.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try the meal. Please let us know how you like it, or if you don't like it, it's whatever.
You will like it. I bet you'll like it.
I think you might like it, but I don't want them to take my word for it or our word for it. I want you guys to try it.
Yeah.
So let us know how you like it. And hey, thanks for joining us on this video. Please subscribe and let us know how you liked the recipe if you did try it. We want to know all your comments, or if you don't like it, you can leave a comment too. But yeah, check us out on our other videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Peace.